Lieutenant Moses Atuyambe ku rwo mu kitongole cya 15 Marines Battalion eyibembiremo omurimo gwo kuranisa okujuba obwenyanja buto anyanja na munongo mu district ya Kasese nagira ngo bakwasire motoka registration number UAX 219 ekika kya Pasio eberemo abashija babiri n'omukazi omwe abantu babiri barugwa mu district ya Masaka barukuza akatare k'ebyenyanja akampondo obine bw'enyanja buto.
Kani gushesha nafuna information y'emotoka UX 616 special stroke X checkpoint yanje ya Kikorongo ekeyegwire ekeyine 350 kgs oweza imachua Nairo patch
ogu no yasha abantu bona okwatanisa nabo okuranisa enjuba mbi n'abarukushobora ebyenyanja bito.
So nanishaba abanya-Uganda abantu ba Kasese okukwatanisa nitwe twiyahe envuba mbi twiyaho obutimba bubi.
Pade Muhindo orukujunanzibwa aby'obujubi omugomborora ejyare katwe nagira ngo buri muntu barakwata n'okongerwa kuferwa sente ze kandi amateka gamukoreho.
It is important that these traders get to know that the rules for trading in the Nairo patch, it is 20 inches and above. Anything below that, that is immature. Now for this case, the inches were 4 to 9 inches. And that one contravenes the law. Automatically, we have no option. The law has to take its course.
Abakwasirwe nibagira ngo bakumirwa polisi ya Katwe division omuri Kasese district. Gashakwa Gilbert Mahanguzi aba TV West.